Alright guys, in this video I would like to explain about Jambe Asri. It's one of my provider for the quad bike here in Bali. So Jambe Asri is adventurous tourism destination. It's in Bali, offer the ATV riding and an experience to the forest, to the rice field and muddy track and then cave and then waterfall. So this is one of the best ATV quad bike here in Ubud. It's located at the Batu Bulan, around 1 hour from here from Kuta. It's very close, so not waste the time many time on the road to get to do the ATV. Okay, so what is the track then can be explored in the Jambe Asri ATV? Like I said, you can explore the forest and waterfall and the Barong Cave and rice field, and the rivers is at ATV journey. Wow! So, there is some question: is Jambe Asri is or ATV here in Bali is suitable for the beginners? I say yes. The provider is a professional instructor, so who will give you the training before you do the trial, the trip, and then they train you on the circle, how to start the engine, and then how you can go back, go down, and then instruction when you do the quad bike. So they will explain about everything that necessary to do when the quad biking. So what is the make ATV in Jambe Asri is different than compared than other places in Bali. So Jambe Asri is have extreme track. You do the cross the bridge, cross the waterfall, and the mystical of the Barong Cave that provides for different riding experience here in Bali as well. In this operator and this Jambe Asri, they have a private guide, so you not join with other group together. It's not so much fun when you do the quad bike sharing with other people, with let's say people from Chinese or wherever, they cannot ride in the front of you, so that make your ATV is not really